Yeah, are you looking for bulk WhatsApp Android software that you can use to send unlimited WhatsApp message? Maybe you are affiliate marketer, you are a coach, you are product vendor, or in any category you wear, but you want to promote your product through WhatsApp, but you don't want to go to the stress, you saving the number manually and start sending the message manually, which is going to take a lot of time, a lot of stress. So you are looking for a WhatsApp box sender Android version that you can use to send unlimited WhatsApp messages automatically. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you this amazing bulk WhatsApp message you can use to send bulk WhatsApp automatically. You don't have to do any manual work. All you have to do is just to upload your contact to this software, enter your message, and click on the send button, and you start sending your message automatically. So you just have to watch it. So after it's done, then you close it. So this amazing software is good. Maybe you are into affiliate marketing, you are into product vendor, or you want to promote your product, you want to promote, you want to or notify your customer about a discount offer, or anything you want to use this software for. You can use this software to send bulk message. So we know some of us used to use the broadcast option on WhatsApp, but if you are using the broker option, if people that you send this message to did not save your number are not going to receive this your WhatsApp message. That's why you need a bulk WhatsApp message. So in this video, I'm going to show you this demo software, how this WhatsApp box sender works and how you can get it. So if this is your first time watching our video, please click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Yeah, so welcome back. So I'm going to walk you through how this WhatsApp box sender works, how you can use it to send your bulk WhatsApp message to promote your product, your service to people, even if they did not save your phone on their contacts. Maybe like if you are using a WhatsApp broadcast, the people that are going to receive your message are people that save your numbers. So maybe you send broadcast message to 50 and it's only 5 people that save your number. So the people that are going to receive your message is going to be 5 people, which is waste of marketing, waste of time, and a waste of effort. That's why you need WhatsApp box sender if you want to promote to a lot of people even without saving their number or their phone. So with this WhatsApp box sender, we're able to send a lot of unlimited WhatsApp message automatically without using any manual method, without wasting your effort. So let's get started. Let me show you how this software works. So I'm going to click on this software. So this is how this amazing software works. So after getting access to it, so this is how it's going to work, this is how it works. So you just have to click on the start automatic senders. So click on start now. Then you're going to see a contact of WhatsApp group or important. So select contact, allow. So you have three options to upload your contact. You can select your WhatsApp contact, you can import contact. Maybe you have WhatsApp contact that are not saved on your phone. So with this software, you can just import it to this software, and this software will send WhatsApp message to them. So first option, you have to select your WhatsApp contact. Even if you want to send to people, you only save their WhatsApp number. So just select WhatsApp contact. So it's going to load your WhatsApp contact. Let's wait for it to load finish. So it's going to load. It's still loading. So it's going to load. If you have a lot of WhatsApp contacts, it's going to take a few minutes to load finish. So it's still loading. So you have to wait because the contact is too much to still loading.
Still loading. Still wait for it to load. Finish. So it has done loading my WhatsApp contact finish. So the next option is to start selecting the WhatsApp numbers you want to send to. You want to send to all your WhatsApp contacts, you just select all. So select all. Then let's see, select. Then you're going to write your message. So you have to write your message. Hello. And then and enter, maybe you want to promote your product, your service, just write your message contact. And if you want to ask add their full name, maybe your contact full name, first name or last name, anyone you want to add to it, you can just choose it. So when maybe you send it to someone and his contact is saved as Toby, for instance, so and you add their full name or first name to it, so when the person is received the message is going to receive it as hello Toby, hello Tope, hello. So most of them will not think that you are using broadcast, you are using a software to send it. They will think you are sending it one by one. So what this is one of the feature of this formatting settings. So just choose it. So after you have entered your message, they click. So if you want to add your picture, next. If you want to add image, you can just click on here. You can add your image. Wait for it to load. So image. They just choose one image. So okay, we first issue to pick your file from folder. So please copy your file to another folder from download. Okay. Just have to pick another from another folder. So let me just pick again. So image. So for my recent, so just choose this. So the image. So just choose your own image. Maybe you're promoting your product image, your service image, anyone. So just choose it, or maybe your church program or your mosque program, anyone. You have just choose it. Click on done. And if you want to add video, audio, or PDF, just choose. All you have to know that the large your file, the large amount of MB is going to consume, amount of data is going to consume. So just click on done. So it will send normal as your share image. So just choose direct. If it's do by link, it's going to generate link for you, which is not going to make sense. So just choose the direct. So after that, you want to add your signature, just enter your signature. Maybe you are a product, next to ATJ tutorial. Say so the next option you have to choose is to choose the WhatsApp you are using for sending. If you want to use your WhatsApp business for sending or your ordinary WhatsApp for sending, so you can just choose it. So if you want to choose WhatsApp business, choose WhatsApp business. If you want to choose your normal WhatsApp, choose your normal WhatsApp, then click on next. So if you have the option to choose, maybe you want to choose where to start sending, you can choose manually or automatically. But the main of this software is to use automatic, because what's the essence of use manual when what's the essence of buying the software if you can do this where you can send automatic. So just choose automatic, then continue. Just go for WhatsApp tools, enable, allow, then continue. Add delay in sending, you can add up to 4 seconds. Enable at ban, you can enable it, then you can start sending. So I've not clicked on send because I did not enter a good message. So after you click on start sending, this software will start sending your message automatically. So I have to go back, cancel sending. So let me show you another second option you can use to upload your contact. So let me reset. So you can just import your contact. Maybe you have a WhatsApp numbers that that you did not save on your phone, and you want to promote your product to them. Maybe you extract the numbers from groups, from anywhere, or you purchase the WhatsApp contact and you want to promote your product to them. Instead of you saving the number one by one, which is going to be a lot stressful, you can just use this software and upload your contacts. So all you have to do is to save the number as CSV file. So you can just download the sample here to see how you are going to save the file. Let me see. Let me show you how you can download the file. Sorry. Where I'm looking for where the file download. Download again. So I don't see where the file download. So it's very easy to create a CSV file. So all you have to do is just, if you have a PC or Microsoft Excel, just paste your numbers, your WhatsApp number to the Excel, create a new sheet, press the upload the number to it, and save the file as CSV file, because that's what this software supports. So after you have saved the number to you, CSV file, then copy the number, copy the file to your phone, then click on new import. Then select your CSV file, select where you upload your CSV file to. So I'm going to show you a demo. So I'm going to create a demo here. Let me just use my create. So I'm going to create here. So I'm just add the random number. So you have to save the number. So just save it. So can you see, just so when you are using your PC, like, so it asks you to save it maybe as XLS. So you just have to check down and click on CSV. So just save it as CSV. Let me cancel this demo location. Save. So it has been saved. So I'll just go to my software back, then select file. So this is the file. So it brings one number. So I'm just going to enter demo save. So the number has been imported. Can you see one imported? So then you can enter your message. Just enter your message, your promotion message for your product, for your service, or maybe you want to awareness for maybe church program, mosque, anything you want to use it. Just enter your message, enter your last name. If you create a data table with names, so just enter it. Then go to your WhatsApp, choose the WhatsApp you want to use for your sending, maybe WhatsApp box sender, or sorry, maybe WhatsApp business or WhatsApp. Just choose the one you want to use for your sending. Then click on next, then choose the automatic, then select your time delay, enable anti-ban, then click on start sending. The software will send automatic. So that's how the software works. You see it's going to send automatic. You can see, so to go back itself, you can see that's how the software work. So it's going to do the sending by itself. So it starts sending by itself. You are sending to a lot of contacts, the software will send. All you have to do is just select your contact. If you are choosing, if you are uploading or if you are uploading your contact, or you are selecting your contact, just choose anyone, enter your message, then click your WhatsApp, choose WhatsApp you're using for sending, then start sending your bulk WhatsApp message. That's how this amazing software works. So for you to get this software, then you have to click on the link under this video tutorial. So it's going to take you to this sales page. So where you're going to buy this software for just one time fee. So after you have purchased for just one time fee, so you can start using this amazing software. So and you're also going to get this amazing extra bonus. Maybe you don't have WhatsApp contact to promote your products for, maybe you're sending it to Nigeria, you're going to get 25k Nigeria WhatsApp contact. You're going to get, if you are selling promote your product to US market, you're going to get USA 25k US WhatsApp contacts. If you are promoting to UK or Canada, you're also going to get this amazing WhatsApp contact that you can promote your product or service to. So thank you for watching this amazing video tutorial. So if you find this video useful, click on the like button. We will see you later again. Thank you.